Hi, welcome to Bond Bytes, the daily bond market highlights from INR bonds. I'm Arjun Patsarthi, and 10-year gsec yields rose to 1.85%, the highest since close to a month, uh, on worries about inflation expectations, Fed rate hikes, and rising US Treasury yields, and the fact that oil prices jumped to USD 120 dollars per barrel in the due to the Ukraine Russia-Ukraine crisis, and this is going to cause a huge amount of inflationary pressures, given that India is a net oil importer, and reflecting that India's trade deficit also jumped 73% year on year, while though we did well on export side, which again rose 23% to over $30 billion, which is many consecutive months of over $30 billion exports. So this year should be a record year for exports, which is very positive for the country. But the high oil prices, geopolitical issues are hurting the sentiments in the bond markets, and with multiple fears now hitting GSECs, which includes, apart from the current Russia-Ukraine crisis taking up oil prices and other commodity prices, you have very high government borrowing starting next year, and also the fact that global central banks are still in a rate hike mode despite all this market uncertainty, because their hands are tied given that inflation is running at 4 decade highs in the US and many other parts of the world. It's running at many decade highs as well. So all this is forcing rate hikes, higher bond yields, US Treasury yields jumped again, high volatility in bond markets, and in following all this crisis here. And in India too, the gsec yields are showing high volatility despite the government start cancelling auctions to calm market fears, but nothing really happened. The yields came down for a brief period of time, but then rose again. So investors are facing a big amount of uncertainty in bond markets as well. And do not forget to download our app, Quick Invest by INR Bonds, to ride out the volatility in this market. You get the best bonds to invest in, um, with the most information and the easiest of investment processes through the app. So that down the iOS and Android devices, you can download the app. The link given in the description below. And if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do so and hit the like button if you do like the bond bites. Thank you.